Hi, I'm Brookie, and I'm going to show you how to do nail art with paper. I'm using printer paper, but you can use either construction or printer. I recommend printer because it's easier and it's lighter than construction, especially when you're doing stuff. I'm sorry if I play with my hair a lot. It bothers me so much. Now what you're going to need is scissors, pencil, sorry, cotton balls, nail polish remover if you have nail polish on. You're gonna need one of these things. You can find it in one of these sets with the clippers and the scissors and stuff. It's like a cuticle pusher. You're going to need pink tint enamel with hardeners. Sorry if you can't see that. You're gonna need crystal clear enamel. Buy it anywhere. Sorry. This is a brand that both of them buy. Hold on. That's crystal clear. That's the brand. Use that one. NK. You're also gonna need one of these to buff your nails out. Let's see. I'll one. You're gonna need one of these double coat. Alright. Take your nail polish remover. Okay. Polish remover. Put any nail polish removers. I have one from I did for my school. Homework assignment. It's stuck on something. Yeah, all my stuff's behind me if you haven't realized. And these are my first tools, so let me take it. If I haven't mentioned, just to tell you again, I am doing nail art tool. Now what you're going to need to do is use this Kempton paper. I'm going to trace my finger on the edge of the paper, just the tip of it, just the tip, and then a little bit. Now I'm going to trace all of my fingers according to tips. So this takes a while. Hopefully it was this one. Make it perfect, I guess. Alright, so I have 5. I don't know if you can see that. That's 5. Yeah, 5 on my fingers. So I'm going to just start with my thumb. I'm not going to cut all of them out because I don't want to waste your time. Try to cut it out straight. And after you cut it out, make it perfectionally. Measure to your nail. That's just about perfection. So make a half moon shape in the inside, like that. I don't know if you can see good. You want to take your pink tint. I'm only doing my thumb. I'm going to open it up. I already shook them. You would like to shake them 2, 3 times. Just put it on my thumb. Put it on my thumb. Just brush it casually. The same thing on the finger. Just pick it off. Then you want to while it's like a little wet. Do that in another thing. Now I have a fan. So let me just open it. I made that. Just gonna fan my nails. Let's just try. Sorry, I use Sally Hansen stuff, and I have a Sally Hansen box next to me. Okay, so you want to take your crystal clear, and you want to like take a little, put it on where you're going to use for nail. Okay. You can make it as long as you want. I don't really like long nails for you personally because I just like them. I'm just like small. Small nail gun, yeah. Like small college girl. I got that stuck in my head from another video. Swada nail polish, not nail art, nail polish. Because I need to read what nail polishes. My friend showed me it. I thought it was college. I remember that. It was like a while ago. Yeah, 2 hours ago. That's a while ago. This is like my after school type of like video. I don't do much after school because we don't get homework because it's like the end of the year. Well, it is the end of the year, so I don't do anything in class, and I have nothing else to do because the year hasn't started. And I have nothing to do. So once I got that onto my nail, like securely, and put on the coat. Probably gonna put a few drops. So I need the fan again. Gonna want that to dry. I like to do it. It's gonna be like the first time I'm ever doing this. Because my friends told me one. Saw some videos and I kind of wanted to try it to be like new to my channel. Yeah, you can probably tell it's my first video. Now you're gonna want to just like I know I'm taking a while, but I just finished. That's what it will look like. You can make it any size you really want, and that's how to do paper. Now, thanks for watching my tutorial on nails. I will have many more, and I will try to do as many videos as I can. All different things. Thanks for watching, and bye.